Good morning, student. I am going to explain you about percentage. See here, what is percentage? Percentage means होता है कि in 100 how many marks you get. If a examination you get 95 mark in 100 mark. If you get 95 mark in 100 mark, then what is percent of your mark? What is percent of your mark? Your mark is 90% because you get 90 mark in 100 mark. See here, percent means on 100 how many mark you get. If you get 45 mark in 100, then your percentage of mark become 45%. 45% परसेंट. सेंट मीन्स होता 100, पर मीन्स क्या होता प्रति 100, मतलब वो एक 100 पर आपको कितना मार्क मिला, दैट इज योर परसेंटेज. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट परसेंटेज. इफ यू गेट 90 mark, if you get 90 mark in maths, 90 mark in 100 marks, 90 marks in 100 marks, then your percentage of mark is then your percentage of marks is equal to 90%. Then your percentage of mark is equal to 90%. See here, I take example and explain you what is percent and how you convert it into percent. If there is written example first, if there is written 50% of 250 rupees, then how you get amount? Amount is equal to 250 multiply by 50 upon 100. 250 multiply by 50 upon 100. Here you write double zero cancel, it become 25 multiply by 5. Here 5 5 are 25, 5 2 are 10, 2 12, it become 125 rupees. I take second example. If there is written 16% of 260, then how you solve it? That means 16 multiply by 260, that means 16 multiply by 260 upon 100. Here 0 cancel, here 2 5 are 10, here 2 8 are 16. Here you 26 multiply by 8, here 8 2 are 16, 8 6 are 48 को 8 carry 4, 8 2 are 16, 4 20 upon 5. Here 8 6 are 48 को 8 carry 4, 8 2 are 16, 4 20, it become 208 divided by 5, 5 4 are 20, here is 8, 5 1 are 5, here 3, here you write decimal 30, here it become 5 6 are 30, it become 41.6. It become 41.6. I take another example. See here, example third. I write here example third. If there is written example third, if there is written 16% of a amount 16% of a amount is equal to is equal to 320. Then find amount. See here, 16% of a amount is equal to 320. Then find amount. See here, let be amount is x. Let be amount is x. Let be amount is x. That means x multiply by 16 upon 100 is equal to 320. That means x multiply by 16 upon 100 is equal to 320. Now solve it. X multiply by 16 upon 100 is equal to 320. Here in left side it is divided by 100. When 100 goes right side, it multiply there, it becomes 320 into 100 upon, here in left side 16 multiply, when it goes right side, it divide there upon 16 is equal to x. See here 16 2 ja 32, here 20 multiply by 100 means 20 double zero, it become 2000 rupees. Now all of you see here, I take another example. Example 4. See here, I take another example. Example 4. If there is written example 4. Example 4. 25% of a amount. 25% of a amount is equal to 650 rupees. Then find amount. Let be amount is x. See here, let be amount is x. 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 X multiply by 25. X multiply by 25 upon 100 is equal to 650 rupees. X multiply by 25 upon 100 is equal to 650 rupees. Here in left side 100 divide here, then it goes right side, it multiply by there, it become 650 multiply by 100. Here in left side 25 multiply, when it goes right side, it divide there upon 25. Here is remaining x, here you write x, 25 4 ja 100. Here 650 multiply by 4, 4 0 ja 0, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24 to 26, it become 2600 rupees. See here, it become 2600 rupees. Now I take another example, example 5. If there is written 45% of the amount is equal to 1200 rupees, then find amount. 45% of a amount is equal to 1200 rupees, then find amount. Here is a fifth example. See here, let be amount is x. Let be amount is x. Let be amount is x. X multiply by 45 upon 100 is equal to x multiply by 45 upon 100 is equal to 1200. Here you write 1200 multiply by 100 upon 45 is equal to x. Then you solve it. Here 15 3 ja 45, 15 8 ja 120 0. Here 80 into 100 become 8000 upon 3. Now you divide 8000 by 3 and get your answer. All of you see here, 8,000 divide by 3, 3 2 जा 6, 220, 3 6 जा 18, 220, 3 6 जा 18, 220, 3 6 जा 18, 2 here you write decimal, here you write decimal, here you get 0, 3 6 ja 18, here it become 2666.6 rupees. It become 2666.6 rupees. That is your answer. Now I give you homework. See here. Solve first question. 26% of 2600. Second question. 25% of 2000 rupees. Now third question. 15% of a amount. 15% of a amount is equal to 2000 rupees. Then find amount. Then find amount. Now question 4. 20% of a amount is equal to 1800 rupees. Find amount. Then find amount. Now how you convert decimal number into percentage? If there is written example first 0.05, how you convert it into percentage? First you convert it into fraction. See here you write 0.05, under decimal you write 1, here is decimal after 2 place you write 20, it become 5/100. Now how you convert 5/100 into percentage? Multiply 5/100 into 100. 5/100 multiply by 100. Here 100 1 ja 100. Here 5 1 ja 5. It become 5%. Now I take another example. Example second. If there is written 2.5, then how you convert into percentage? Here you write 2.5. First you convert 2.5 into fraction. Here under decimal you write 1. Here is decimal after 1 place. Here you write 10. It become 25/10. It become 25/10. How you convert 25/10 into percentage? Here you multiply it by 100. Here 10 10 ja 100. 25 into 10 is equal to 250%. Now I take another example. Example third. If there is written 0.625, how you convert it into percentage? See here, under decimal you write 1. Here is decimal after 3 place. Here you write 30. It becomes 625/1000. Then you convert it into percent. Multiply it by 100. Here you multiply it by 100. Here you write 100. Here 00 cancel. It becomes 625/10 is equal to 62.5%. Now I take another example. Example 4. If there is written 2/5. If there is written 2/5, how you convert it into percentage? Here you write 2 upon 5 multiply by 100. Here 5 2 ja 10, 20. 20 multiply by 2, 20 2 ja 40 is equal to 40%. Here I take another example. Example 5. If there is written 4 upon 5, how you convert it into percentage? 4 upon 5 multiply by 100. Here 5 2 ja 10, 20. 24 ja 80%. If there is written example 5, if there is written 35%, how you convert it into fraction? All of you see here. If there is written 35%, how you convert it into fraction? Here you write 35 upon 100. Here you write 35 upon 100. 35 upon 100 and convert it into simplest form. 35 and 100 divide by 5. Here you divide by 5 both sides. 5 7 ja 35. Here 5 2 ja 10. It become 7 upon 20. In this way you convert it into fraction. Here I gave you homework. See here, I write here homework. Homework. Question first. Convert the following. Convert the following. Convert the following into percentage. Convert the following into percentage. Question first 0.64. Question second 0.32. Question third 6.45. Question 4. Question 4 2 upon 8. Question 5 1 upon 20. Question 6 3 1 upon 20. Then thanks to all of you for prescribing this video.